Yonemoto. I'm going to start a new job at a place that is using Elixir to deploy deep learning VMs. So if you're interested in purchasing that sort of thing or working on those sorts of things, come find me. My contact information is liable to change like crazy in the next few days. The stuff I'm talking about you can find on GitHub at ityonemoto/state server. And I've also contributed something on HexPM called XDHCP, which is a pretty cool DHCP, library. OK, so this is going to be a live code demo. So let's hope this works. And I need to find my mouse first. OK, let's move that over. And I'm going to try and do this from memory. Maybe you guys could help me. So in the last place that I worked at, I had one of my juniors do all the things where they learned how to use gen servers and all that. And then I was like, OK, we need to write a state machine for this one thing. Have you guys ever used gen state machine or gen statem in Erlang? Oh, the Erlang guy's gone. OK, good. Have you tried using it? And like gen state machine isn't that helpful because it punts and it says, go look at the documentation in Erlang gen statem. And the formatting actually matters because it's really hard to tell what the types are and all that sort of stuff. It's hard to use, and as a result, my junior programmer made a ton of mistakes. It was a learning experience for both me and him. And so in the time since I've left the previous company I worked at, I've been working on this for about like 5 days now. So if you had to do it, would you be able to, you said you've seen gen statem before. If you had to do it, would you be able to write a state machine with a gen server without from memory? Like just a simple light flip. No, in gen server. Yeah, right, but for gen statem, it would be really tricky, right? OK, so let's try doing this. OK, so one thing about state server is that it does enforce one requirement, which is that you have to define the state graph. So for a switch, it might look something like this, right? And off, when you take the flip transition, goes to on. And then you just do what you would normally do. So def handle call. Let's do a flip call. And then what we will take is calls require from. And then let's say we don't care what the state is, and we don't care what the data is. Oh, actually, no, let's report it. State. Oh, thank you. Uh-oh. Am I going to be in trouble here? OK, so maybe I should type this out. Where was I? Oh, sorry, my mouse. All right. I was hoping to be able to use. OK, here we go. All right, let's just do it here. Oh, OK. State server, state graph. And now my computer is dead. Okay. Anyways, check this out. Basically, what it does is it fans out all of your events, event handling into things that you're familiar with, like handle call. You can do reply and no reply like you would expect with a Gen server, and it just basically makes the process of interacting with Erlang's built-in state machines much more ergonomical. So sorry I couldn't show you the demo, but have fun with it.